The Congress Legislature Party, under the leadership of Dr. Mukul Sangma, held a press briefing during the afternoon of the 25th of August 2021. Speaking on the recent incident that had resulted in the death of Cherusterfield Thangkeo, the CLP leader, Dr. Mukul Sangma, said that the government, in all its capacity, should give ear to the voice of the public as far as the suspension of police personnel involved in the encounter is concerned. He also urged upon the government to carefully examine the matter so as to satisfy public demand towards the truth into the entire incident.
See, we have asked for independent judicial inquiry, and we would like to ensure that this particular demand is heard of. And another part is that when this popular demand is coming from the people, government must get it examined and do what is necessary in conformity with the law of the land.